Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 28 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing one of my favorite booty exercises. We're doing bridge lifts for 100 reps. Let's go. Down on the mat, no equipment at all today. Feet flat on the mat. Support yourself with your hands, and from here we're gonna lift hips up and we're gonna lower down. Ready for 100. Off we go. And 20. Okay, breathe, take your time. We're gonna do 4 more sets of 20 reps. Make sure you're squeezing your booty at the top. Okay, 20 more. Off we go. And 20. Let's keep going. And and 20. Yuppies! 60. 2 more sets. We've got this, okay? Ready? And and 20. And 80 reps. Last 20. We've got this, okay? Let's finish strong. Off we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Ooh, squeeze your body, squeeze, 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 squeeze. That was 100 reps. And release. And nicely done. Day 28 is in the books. Thank you so much for joining me. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you next time.